Have you ever wondered what reliable backup power can support you in the most critical moments when power is interrupted or energy is scarce? Today, we will introduce the wonders of generating sets and their irreplaceable role in various application fields. These generators are different sizes and different uses, but they all share a common mission: to provide reliable power. Our products are known for their high performance, low noise, and low maintenance costs. And they can provide different scales of power depending on your needs, whether in industrial manufacturing, healthcare, commercial construction, agriculture, or mining. Our generator sets are able to meet the power needs of a variety of different industries. From emergency backup power to long-term sustainable power solutions, we have what you need. We will give you a suitable quotation and program. Expensive is not the best, but suitable must be the best. Welcome to Ask Us a Price. We have the best pre-sale and after-sales service.